Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. So you see the two PVC pipes coming out of the sidewall of this house? The one on the right is for a high efficiency furnace. The one on the left is actually the sewer ejector pump, also known as a sanitary grinder. Now these pumps must ventilate a minimum of 10 feet above ground level. So as we can see, we're approximately 2.5 feet above ground level, and they must vent nowhere near a window. If we look up, we have 1, 2, 3 windows immediately above it. All sanitary grinder / sewer ejector pumps must vent a minimum of 10 feet above the ground, and that is to help prevent those sweet smells from the sewer coming back into your house.
Just for clarification, the Universal Plumbing Code does not allow side venting of plumbing vents. The IRC, International Residential Code, however, does allow side mount wall vents. However, the vent must terminate 10 feet above grade, IRC 3103.6, among other standard rules for side wall and window clearances. This vent does not meet any of these. Of course, the local authority having jurisdiction may waive these requirements, and the homeowner may have complained about that ugly white pipe going up the side of their house. Irregardless, as home inspectors, our job is to report on non-standard installations, not to approve or condemn any installation.